I'm so happy to be here as your Mr. Ismia 2025. Here, I learned to believe in myself and dream big. Thank you for my teachers, Mommy and Daddy, and Kuya Sian, for all your love and support. To my classmates, thank you for the last and fun memories you made my school year journey amazing. Holding this crown was an honor. The best part was the lesson and friendship. Now I'm past it to the next. Mr. Ismia, wear it with confidence and always be yourself. This is Simon Blight L. Ginayon, Mr. Ismia 2025, round up, but confidence still on. God bless everyone.